Hey.
To our highly stacked members of the academic community, led by a vibrant principal in charge of Allen 2 District, and at the same time, school head of Kinagitman Elementary School, Dr. Agustin B. Istinubu Jr., Sir, dynamic guest speaker, Madam Tenma N. Villacortes, Barangay Captain of Kinagitman, Honorable Alfonso Rarela Jr., dedicated teaching staff of Kinagitman Elementary School, our dear parents and guardians, my fellow graduates, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant evening to everyone. Today is a moment of celebration, not just for us graduates, but for everyone who has supported us throughout this journey. As I stand before you, I feel a deep sense of gratitude for the people who made this day possible. Our teachers, friends, and most especially our families. Standing before you today as valedictorian is a moment I never imagined when I first transferred here in grade 4. It was a new school. I was afraid of not fitting in, afraid of starting over a new environment. It was a big change, and I didn't know if I would belong. But as time passed, I realized that fear was not just the beginning of something greater. I found new friendships, incredible teachers, and a school that welcomed me with open arms. I learned that change may be scary, but it also helps us grow. My journey was not always easy. Being sickly made some days harder than others. I often had to catch up on lessons, missing classes at times when I felt weak, moments when I questioned myself if I could keep up. But through it all, my mom made sure I stayed on track, encouraging me when I felt weak. To my dear parents, Police Master Sergeant Ronnie Sitico Bacnawa and Jeremy Galunga Bacnawa, Papa, Mama, this achievement is not just mine, it's yours too. Thank you for all your sacrifices. To my beautiful and wonderful mother, thank you for your unconditional love, care, efforts, and discipline. Without you, Mama, I could not make this possible. Mama, dili ko hihingalintan ang imo permi ginsugod sa ako na pag-adal permi sinmayad kay diri kita mayaman. Wara kami ni Papa ipapamana sa imo na kayamanan, kundi ang edukasyon la. Ito ng kayamanan na diri sa imo makakawat. Ngan mangangarap ka lang din naman, lubos-lubusin mo na. Dream high and hit the mark. Papa, Mama, I hope I made you happy and proud today. Your love, dedication, and unwavering support have shaped me into the person I am today. Papa, Mama, I am forever grateful for everything you have done. I also want to extend this moment to express my deepest gratitude to my loving grandparents. Nanay Bibe, thank you sa pagpaura sa mo. Kay pag-uuli na mo, tigil sa eskwelahan, mayaon na kami iksura ni Luloy. Ngan ikaw ang nag-aalaga sa amon kung nasa trabaho pa si Papa ngan si Mama. To Tatay Jerry and Nanay Training, who is always there to help us. Pag nagkakasakit ako, ada ka mo perme para ipa-check up ako sa Maynila. Miskan gurang ka na Nanay Training, kinakaya mo lagi hapon kami updan ni Mama sa ako mga check-ups. Pag ate man ka mo sa Kinagitman, perme ka nagluluto marasahon nga suda ngan snacks. I am very blessed to have you as my grandparents. You have been my pillars of strength, my source of love and encouragement. Thank you for believing in me even when I doubted myself. I am forever grateful to my dear teachers who have guided me and inspired me throughout this journey. To my advisor, Ma'am Jenny Galarosa, thank you for your unwavering support and encouragement. To our TLE teacher, Sir Edwin Galarosa, for teaching us valuable skills that we will carry on forward. To our math teacher and my coach, Ma'am Emelinda Amor, for believing in my potential and pushing me to do my best. To our AP teacher, Ma'am Rolina Bandal, our English teacher, Ma'am Nelia Corralde, for helping us find confidence in expressing ourselves. And to our Filipino teacher, Ma'am Cherimy Bacnawa, for deepening our appreciation of our language and culture, and for sharing stories. Your dedication and hard work have played a huge role in our success. And to my classmates, thank you for the laughter, shared struggles, and memories we have created together. Each of us here faced challenges. Others struggled academically, others personally. But today, we stand here not because everything was easy, but because we never gave up. We have learned that hard work, perseverance, and the support of those who believe in us can help us overcome anything. So today, each of you have played a part in my journey, and for that, I am grateful. I also want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to my teachers from my previous school, Lipata Elementary School, who never doubted my ability. I remembered when I was in grade 1,